face, sand on our feet. At the end of the beach where we all like to meet, we have the beach to ourselves to party all day. Another perfect southern beach day on the way. Southern beach days are great here in the South. Tailgate down and the music up loud. Beach chair in the surf, cold beer on the way. We're heading for another perfect fun-filled southern beach day. The volleyball game is going on in the sand, and music is blaring from the local reggae band. A couple is slow